Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today we're going to talk about the gun that we use to shoot foam board up on the wall. It's got some other uses as well, but for us, it's a great tool to attach foam board, so stay tuned. So this is one of Hilti's newest products. It actually replaces the DX460. This is the DX5. This is a powder actuated gun. It shoots a .27 caliber cartridge. There's a low impact all the way up to a strong impact, depending on what kind you get. We typically use the low impact because most of the time we're shooting into cinder block. And we use an EFIS nail for stucco. So because of our foam board is 2 1/4 inches thick, we use about a 2 1/4 inch or a 2 1/2 inch EFIS nail. So as the EFIS nail enters the foam board, it looks really nice on the surface of the foam board. So we mechanically attach the foam board to the wall using an EFIS nail that we shoot with the DX5. So if you're looking for a good way to attach foam board to the wall, you can get a DX5, and then whatever size foam board you're using, you can choose the appropriate length of the nail based on the size of the foam board. So my name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. We're making the DX5 available on our DIY store. So if you get a chance, go check it out. I'll put a link down below, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.